Hello, there we are. The secret hand lounge trick. The hidden future, I don't know. I read about it, I try it and it works. I also do it in Dutch. Een verborgen trucje om je drone vanuit de hand te laten opstijgen. En laten we wel weten, het gaat om de DJI Mini 2. Nou, hoe gaat het in zijn werk? How it is working? Start your props manually. And how you do that? Your hands are full. It's not easy to do. I will step back a little bit so you can see better. I do it with my left hand on the left stick and then use my elbow on the right stick. And you see, your props are running manual. Steady. And what you do next, de volgende stap is, je geeft je drone een kleine push. En dat is voor hem het signaal van ik stijg op. Je kan dat doen zonder je controller in je handen te hebben. Je kan je wegleggen. Maakt in feite niet uit. You just give it a little push and you will see your drone is rising. That's it. And then you take over with your controls like you manual do and fly your drone as usual. A nice future to launch your drone. Very easy. Hold it in your hand, give it a little push, that's the signal, and your drone take off. There we go. And the hand landing we do as normal, like we did by the DJI Mini. It works the same as the DJI Mini Mavic 2. Easy as that. I hope you like it. See you next time.